viewers, Mumbaikar from Mumbai. Today I, Sorang Gurva from Regrove Infrastructure Private Limited is here to tell you what are the top 6 properties in Kharghar offering the best 1 BHK apartments for you. So if you are looking to buy a 1 BHK apartment in Kharghar, then you are at the right place. We know it's very hard for you and your family to find the best 1 BHK apartments when there are huge number of options available to you. Also, as an investor, as an individual, you have demand with other factors such as budget, size, amenities, facilities, and amongst other things. So here I've compiled the top 6 properties in Kharghar offering the best 1 BHK apartments and have also verified them across multiple parameters, which I'll be telling you throughout the course of this video. Now let's move forward. On number 1, we have Total Global Anandam. Total Global Anandam has been developed by Total Global Builders and Developers. It lies in the price range of 48 lakhs onwards and is currently in the under construction stage. The top USP for this project is it offers luxurious 1 BHK apartments spread across 7.5 acres of land parcel, aesthetically located close to the upcoming metro station of Kharghar. It has 7 luxurious towers of 11 stories each, and it has easy access to road and rail transportation. Then number 2, we have Adhiraj Capital City. Adhiraj Capital City has been developed by Adhiraj Construction Private Limited. It has one of the tallest towers in Kharghar. It is a very luxurious project. It lies in the price range of 68 lakhs onwards and is currently in the under construction stage. The top USP for this project is it is located only 5-10 minutes from 5 mega projects of Kharghar like BKC to Metro Station, Central Park, Golf Course, ISKCON Temple with easy access to proposed airport, marina and MTHL ceiling. Other USPs includes it has a commercial park, a commercial complex, park and high street all within a 40-acre city. It has Navi Mumbai first and only 7-star lifestyle club. It's first in the region to construct civil structure towers, and it lies in one of the capital cities of Navi Mumbai, that is Kharghar. Then on number 3rd, we have Sai Icon. Sai Icon has been developed by Paradise Group of Builders and Developers. It lies in the price range of 60.4 lakhs onwards and it's currently in the under construction stage. The top USP for this project is only 5 km from the proposed international airport and DY Patil Stadium. It's connected with the Mumbai-Pune highway. Market areas and other conveniences like malls, multiplexes, Kharghar railway station, etc. are all in close proximity to the project. And the proposed 14-track road connecting Sion Panvel, which will enable commuters to reach Kharghar within 20 minutes from Sion, is located just nearby this project. Then on number 4, we have Gami Viona. Gami Viona has been developed by Gami Group. It lies in the price range of 63 lakhs onwards and is currently in the under construction stage. The top USP for this project is only 5 minutes walking distance for upcoming metro station. It's close to Central Park and 18-hole golf course. It's close to Taloja railway station, located off Old Mumbai-Pune road. The market, hospitals, schools, colleges are all in close proximity to this project. Then on number 5, we have Arihant Glen Alishan. This is again one of the luxurious projects of Kharghar. It's been developed by Arihant Superstructure Limited. It lies in the price range of 75.4 lakhs onwards and it's currently in the under construction stage. The top USP for this project is again connectivity. Sector 7 is only 5 km 25 minutes. Science Park is at 6 km 30 minutes. Siur Dara is at 5 km 25 minutes. Kharghar is at only 3 km 15 minutes and Nerul is at 5 km 25 minutes. Then on number 6, we have Niharika Absolute. It has been developed by Juhi Developers. It lies in the price range of 70 lakhs onwards and is currently in the under construction stage. The top USP for this project is again location advantage. Kharghar, well connected to the Mumbai-Pune Expressway, 6 km. Old Mumbai-Pune Highway is at only 0.5 km from this project. Central Park, one of the largest gardens in Asia, spread across 290 acres, is at only 3.2 kilometers, and 18-hole golf course is at again 3.2 kilometers. So these are the top 6 properties in Kharghar offering the 1 BHK apartments, and these are the best 1 BHK apartment available to you. So if you are interested in buying in any of these properties, you should contact us, the Regrove team, so we can offer you the best prices, best discounts and best offers, and also let you know further details about the project. The contact information for the same is given below in the description below. Thank you.